can society take to ensure equal rights and opportunities for everyone, regardless of gender and sexuality? Okay pa. So ano po yung mga steps or hakbang na may make sure po natin na naibibigay sa lahat na meron po kayong equal rights and opportunities regarding po ng inyong gender and sexuality?
Thank you so much for that very mind-boggling question, Judge number 2. And honestly speaking, I don't want to sound cliche in answering the question. I'm not a fan of ready-made answers. Well, I have 2 steps, I guess. Number 1 is right to suffrage. Voting very wisely. Because honestly speaking, when it comes to responsibility, the laws, opportunities, it actually boils down on our leaders. If we choose the right leaders who will definitely give us equal opportunity, regardless of your gender, then definitely one thing is for sure. We can take full advantage of those opportunities because we chose the right leaders. An election is actually coming, so I highly recommend for us to be wise, be vigilant, investigate, and be aware of those platforms that those leaders are actually, preparing for our country. Number 2, improve yourself. Because I don't think that the country will just give you everything. You need to improve yourself. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot share what you do not have. So in order for you to be able to have the better opportunity, then perform. Be a good individual. Aside from being a law-abiding citizen, get yourself employed, stay in that company, be loyal in that company, give the opportunity that they have given you in return of your actions, of the things that you can do. In short, maging magaling kang mamamayan. Dahil hindi lahat ibinibigay ng bayan. Lahat ay pinagpapaguran. So those are just 2 things for me. And we can definitely start from there. Let's vote wisely. Let's choose the right leaders. I repeat, let's vote wisely. Let's improve ourselves. Thank you.